I'm back, baby. Hey guys, welcome to Lily's World. And today we'll be playing with Play-Doh. Let's get started. Why did I do that thing? Okay, let's see what we have here. Our Play-Doh. The best. Here's all the colors. We got blue, yellow, white, okay, now it's all the colors. Now let's see. Ooh, we can make hamsters, dogs, and cats. I'll make a hamster first. I miss Cookie.
By the way, Cookie was my hamster and he died a couple months ago. So if you like to watch my YouTube channel, then you've seen a couple of videos with him. Anyway, let's get back to the video.
Anyway, so what color should we use? A white hamster, just like Cookie. Jane joined us. Sorry, I didn't say that in the intro, but Jane is gonna join us.
Yes. I love pets.
I'm still gonna keep it to me. Anyway, so Jane is going to make, what are you gonna make, Jane?
I'm gonna make a hamster after you and a doggy and a cat.
Fun. Okay, so just get the color you want. Hey, my first little hamster, I'm gonna name him Cookie. Now I'm gonna give him red eyes just like Cookie had.
Then I'm gonna get rid of the eggs.
Boop. Cookie was white and he had red eyes and red Cookie missed it. Oh, by the way, Cookie's This video has already been taken.
Here's my little pet. So,
What kind of pet is it, Jane? Destroyed my
it's
hamster.
the doggy. It's the doggy.
The doggy.